Hello kids, welcome again to Math Swifty to Zati. Now today's topic is conversion of time, and today we're going to do part 1, and next week we're going to do the part 2. Again, this is a video, a step-by-step help for you to do this topic today, all right? Okay, let's move on to see what is the lesson objectives for today. We are learning to use 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, which we learned on Thursday, to convert minute to seconds. And secondly, we are going to convert minutes and seconds to seconds. Now, what are the steps of success? There are 3 steps altogether, simple. Step number 1, we are going to change the minutes into seconds by multiplying the minute by 60. This is because we're using the rule of 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. And then step number 2, we are going to add the seconds, if there's any, to the answer that you do in step number 1. And then step number 3, you are going to write your answer in seconds. Don't worry, we're going to go through the steps one by one as usual. Okay, just a little bit of quick review. As you have learned on Thursday, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So throughout this lesson, I want you to keep this in mind, okay? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now, how do we convert minutes to seconds? Now, if you see on the slide here, I have put on the top there, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now, in order to make it easy for you, you can use timetable 6 to work through your working, okay? So, as you can see, I have listed down timetable 6 here. And then on the right hand side, you can see I put 1 minute, 2 minute, up to 10 minutes, and how it corresponds to timetable 6. Let's go through the first one. For example, 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Okay, as we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So in order to find how many seconds, 1 minute multiplied by 60 is equal to 60 seconds. And 2 minutes is 2 multiplied by 60 is equal to 120 seconds. To make it easier for you, we can see the corresponding here. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. And the answer here is 120. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. And the answer for 3 minutes is 180 seconds. Now, if you can see what we're doing here is that for timetable 6, for converting it into seconds, what we do to multiply by 60 is just using timetable 6, but we just add up 0 at the end of the answer when you're doing timetable 6. So it's pretty easy. If I want to know, for example, what is 6 minutes is equal to second in seconds, so I'll just multiply it by 6. 6 times 6 is 36, but because I want it to be in 60, so I just add up 10. So the answer will be 360. So for example, 9 minute here. 9 minute, 9 times 60 is 540. This is easy because I will do 9 times 6 first, 54, and I'll just add the 0 there. So can you see the similarity there? Now, this is just to help you, another guide and tips to help you to go through this topic. Okay? Now, all right, let's start with the first question. Convert 2 minute 15 second into seconds. Okay, step number 1, as we mentioned just now, change minutes into second by multiplying the minute by 60. Okay, first, as you can see there, the circle, it circled the 2 minute. So we just focus on the 2 minute first. Because we want to convert this into seconds, we can see that there are minute and seconds. So what we do, we will convert the minute first, okay? 2 minute convert into second, we multiply it by 60. So 2 times 6 is 12, just add 0, so it's 120. So 2 times 60 is 120 second. Next, for step number 2, then after you settle with the minute, move on to the second. This is where we are going to add up the seconds that we have into the answer that you already find in step 1 just now. So just now you have found that 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds, and then you just bring down your 15-second here, add it up. So you have 120 seconds plus 15 seconds. And then for step number 3, you just add it up and write your answer. And you can see there 120 seconds plus 15 seconds is equal to 135 seconds. So I can say that 2 minutes and 15 seconds is also equal to 135 seconds. Okay, that's easy, isn't it? All right, let's combine it together. Okay, let's do this question and combine the steps together. Convert 6 minutes and 28 seconds into seconds. Okay, the same steps apply. So we go to step number 1 first. We're going to multiply it with 60. So the minute there we have is 6 minutes. So 6 minutes multiplied by 60. To make it easy, 6 times 6 is 36. Add up 0. That will be 360 seconds. Very good. Okay, and then step number 2, we're going to add the second. So we have 360 seconds plus, look back at your question. How many seconds do we have? Yep, 28 seconds. So 360 seconds plus 28 seconds. Okay, and lastly, you add it up, it will give you the answer 388 seconds. It's quite easy, isn't it? Okay, now let us go through another question, but this time we try to. I didn't show the step to success here, but I'm sure you're going to remember it. It's just 3 steps, okay? So convert 8 minutes and 47 seconds into seconds, okay? So the first thing, what should we do? If you can remember, yes, you take the minute and multiply it by 60. You change it into second first. So 8 multiplied by 60, 8 times 6 is 48. You add up 0, become 480 seconds. So we have 480 seconds. The red one, 8 minutes, it represents 480 seconds plus what we have there, 47 seconds. And you write the answer 527 seconds. So I can say that 8 minutes and 47 seconds is equal to 527 seconds. Okay. Next, convert 5 minutes, 4 seconds into seconds. Again, as usual, 5 minutes, convert it into seconds. That will be 5 multiplied by 60, which give you 300 seconds. And then 300 seconds plus 4 seconds will be 304 seconds as your answer. So 5 minutes, 4 seconds is also equal to 304 seconds. Good. So let's recap what we have done today. So our lesson objective just now, we have learned today is that we use the fact that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds to convert minute to seconds, okay? And we also use that facts as well to convert minute and seconds to seconds with 3 simple steps, which is your steps to success. First, you multiply the minute by 60, and then you add the seconds, and lastly, you write your answer. That's it. Okay, good work, everybody. Now, what are you going to do today? As usual, kids, please, please, please complete your 3 tasks for maths. Okay, make sure you complete all 3. You cannot select 1 or 2 and leave the others. Okay, I want you to complete all 3 in sequence, which means you need to do it in steps. So first, you complete your practice, which is using live worksheet. The second task will be your exercise, which is your Microsoft form. And the third one is your online quiz, which is your Kahoot. Okay, so please follow the arrangement of the task that I have given you. All right, now again, the reminder for you, please complete all your tasks before 12 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, I know you can do it. I know you, and yes, I know you can complete all of your tasks on time. Okay, you can do it, kids. I'll see you again next week, and thank you for joining my class. Goodbye.